So this is an extremely rare behind-the-scenes look at some of the most complex HVAC control systems in the world. These controls are designed and engineered to control active desiccant, extremely low dew point air handling units. Some of these air handlers produce dew points down into the minus 60 degrees, which is extremely, extremely dry. Common applications would be electric vehicle lithium-ion battery manufacturing and even satellite assembly facilities, but we can't talk too much about that. Highly classified.